Oh my goodness, for the love of all things holy, it is freezing. So here we are, guys. We're in San Francisco right now. It is very, very early. Obviously it's before sunrise. Well, it's slowly coming up, so I better get to it. Anyways, we're here for the day right now. We're seeing a good friend of mine, David Barnet. We're gonna hang out a little bit later on today, which is gonna be all good. Very excited to see him. Haven't seen him in a good couple of years. As the cool kids would say, I haven't seen him in a hot minute. But yeah, I'm all wrapped up right now. I'm about to put another sweatshirt on because it is freezing. Oh my god, I'm freezing. I'm gonna try and shoot the bridge this morning a little bit differently than what I've seen online. I feel like it's almost virtually impossible to get an image of this place that hasn't been shot already. But I'm gonna try and shoot something that, yeah, like hasn't been done before. If I can pull that off, fantastic. If not, it's gonna be a good morning either way. So with that being said, let's go get some B-roll. Woo! Yep, it's official. Even though the sun came up, it's still freezing. That was awesome. That was absolutely fantastic. Sunrise, you can't honestly get much better than that. I mean, you saw the view, you saw what was going on. But man, the last time I was in San Francisco, man, at least, I want to say carry the 2, 3, 4, at least 5 years ago, at least. I was actually here on cruise ships when I was working on cruise ships for a couple of years. And that's also why I'm here in San Francisco. I made a trip up to see a buddy that is here. He didn't work on cruise ships, but he helped me get on them. He was with me from like pretty much the get-go when I started traveling, so I haven't seen him in a couple of years, which has been pretty sweet. But we'll throw a B-roll sequence of him in later on when we go get some food, get some coffee and stuff like that. But speaking of food and coffee, I need to get some. Hopefully you've already had some for the morning. I've had a couple already just to get up for sunrise, but I'm gonna need a couple more. Anyways, let's go over to wherever. I don't know. Apparently they tell me that Dennys is good. Recommendations, anyone for San Francisco. Either way, let's go get some coffee. Alright, there we go, team. We are ready to rumble. We are caffeinated, we are fed. I even got to dump off some footage in my laptop, so I got to send off a couple clips to some clients for them to look over and get back to me. So, very productive little pit stop there. Thank you very much, Dennys. And even went the extra mile and got the iced coffee to go from the good old Dennys here. The only problem is, let's be real. Caffeine is caffeine at the end of the day, and coffee is not coffee. But that doesn't really make any sense, but you know what I'm saying. Caffeine's fantastic for me to get through this drive, but Dennys, you do not make the best coffee I've ever seen, but you do free refills, and that's why we came here, and that's why we love you today. So we're gonna head down from here. We're just outside San Francisco to the coast, that State Highway 1 or whatever it is, and make our way down there to Big Sur, have a look around, see what's going on, and hopefully the weather clears up enough so we can get some drone shots, get some clips, hang out, see what's going on. And saying that, come on baby, start. Yeah, we're good. Let's make our way down to Big Sur. Anyway guys, there you go. A nice little drone, little B-roll sequence there. Absolutely beautiful. Big Sur. Honestly, Brendan, you understated this whole thing. You underrated the whole place. Absolutely brilliant. So I'm very, very happy that I decided to do this. Unfortunately, I have misjudged how long this journey does take going along the coast. So I am officially late now to return the car rental. So I'm gonna have to boogie and jet back to LA real quick. But absolutely great time in San Francisco. Brilliant shooting sunrises, shooting sunset. Actually, speaking of that, here's a little B-roll sequence of my man Barnet looking super fly, modeling his new watch and just getting it done. I gotta say, Barnet, you killed that, man. That little sequence right there, absolutely, honestly, like, you killed it, you killed it. Thank you so much for having me stay in San Francisco, man. Very much appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you next time, because we left it, honestly, way too long. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head back to LA now. I got 2 more days in LA, and then I fly back to New Zealand. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of work in New Zealand over the next few months. I'm gonna be doing a couple of weddings in the summertime, which I haven't done before, which will be very interesting, so we should see how that goes. Well, there's been like no traffic here this entire time. Now I start to do a little audio recording and there's just, everyone's coming to the party. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna head back to New Zealand, shoot a couple of jobs over the coming summer, see family, all that kind of good stuff. Anyways, guys, until next time, thank you very much for tuning in. It's been good times. Hope you enjoyed the B-roll. Hope you enjoyed the coast. Yeah, give this video a like if you haven't already. And yeah, any recommendations, let me know. And stay tuned for the funnies. I'm gonna start doing like funny little, like, you know, outtakes at the end of these little vlogs we got going on here. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna get going, and the traffic's starting to build up, so I'm gonna get out of here, and we'll see you next time. Drone shots, it just doesn't do it justice. Fuck. La 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 la. Even, you know, me. Dude, absolutely fantastic. And thank you so much again for you. Oh, man, honestly, you killed that drone. It's honestly, we left it way too long, so I'll see you if you're